Experience off-road RC racing like never before with the Top Race RC Rock Crawler. Top Race RC Rock Crawler has the power, the tires, and the shocks to go over anything in its path and handle any extreme stunt you want to throw its way. Whether you are racing on the pavement, rocks, mud, or shallow water, this truck can easily outmaneuver any obstacle. The powerful four-wheel drive engine uses state-of-the-art crawling technology and large treaded tires fully equipped with shock absorbers. You can cling to any terrain and handle extreme jumps. The Rock Crawler uses regular AA batteries and is the best gift for anyone 8 years or older.
Your kids. On the one hand, you know they have tremendous potential, and you're confident they'll have an incredible job in a developing market. On the other hand, they can enjoy eating an entire tube of toothpaste. When getting them a new toy, you want it to be fun because they're just kids, but you also want to develop their more intellectual side because they can't really eat paste for a living. Meet Algo Bricks. Smart coding blocks that teach your kids actual coding. It's a simple concept. Choose and build a robot, code it to do nearly anything, then press play and watch it go. Here's what's special about AlgoBricks. While there are many STEM products that teach your kid to think analytically, AlgoBricks does more than that. It teaches your kids how to actually code. To code a robot, your kid uses two types of bricks, functions and parameters, just like in code. There are function blocks for sound, movement, and lights. Stacking parameters on top of functions creates the different actions. Big parameters for small children, and small ones for more complex commands. Here's a line of code that will make the Algo cannon play music, move straight, then spin right while blinking its eyes in blue and red lights, then shoot balls for 6 seconds. Here's how that line would look in real code. AlgoBricks even helps your kids debug their code by lighting up what's currently running. Want to make it even more interesting? Add sensors to the bot to respond to sound, touch, distance, and light, and it all connects to an Arduino brain. With all these options, the possibilities are endless. Here's an AlgoBot that takes a bite every time you clap your hands. And this Ferris wheel starts spinning when you open its door. You don't have to invent your own activities. AlgoBricks comes with various activity boards and activity cards that will lead your kids step by step on the path to becoming a coder. Once your kid masters AlgoBricks, the transition to real code is a cinch. All you need to do is sit back, watch your kids expand their minds, and then clean up the carpet. Because after all, they're still kids. Now that sounds great, but you've heard about stuff like this before, and you know what happens. You buy a new toy, your kids get excited, then 5 minutes later, they're back on their tablet. Not with AlgoBricks. AlgoBricks is compatible with Lego bricks. Remember when you were a kid and couldn't stop playing with them? Now imagine if you could make anything you created make sounds, light up, and come to life. AlgoBricks was created by two people, Amir and Danny, both obsessed with education through games. Danny has a PhD in robotics, and Amir is an education tech entrepreneur and founder of Young Engineers, an educational network that teaches STEM in over 40 countries worldwide. Together, they want to take coding education to a whole new level. So if you want to bring out your kids' full potential and teach them how to actually code, get AlgoBricks. Your kids will have an incredible time and a bright future.
The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you. sense a disturbance in the Force. You have found a hologram. You shall find all remains to be discovered.
TC Rallies, the next generation of app-controlled RC cars available from Griffin, where virtual and real-world racing collide. Tear up the track with Moto TC Rally's ultra-realistic driving experience. Impact sensors on each bumper detect virtual damage to your car. Crashes and bumps affect how your rally performs, just like in real life. Buckle up and start your engines. Hit the gas with multiple ways to drive. Set up the lap counter and race against the clock. Drive solo or with friends in bump and run. No remote or extra batteries required. Drive and race right from your compatible iPhone. Your car's performance and add-ons are completely customizable. Add speed or protective armor, but be careful, the armor will weigh you down. As you drive, you'll earn bonuses and attacks that keep you in the lead against your friends. Dish out attacks to tamper and randomize your opponent's controls, slow them down with a snare, and earn bonuses like damage repair, virtual crash shields, or turbo boost to speed right through to the finish line. Authentic real-life rally car design, shock-absorbing, fully independent suspension, turn-on time with Rally's proportional steering, powerful rear-wheel drive, light up the track with headlights and ground effects lighting. Touch-controlled racing just got real. Moto TC Rally from Griffin, available now.